Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language on YouTube. First thing, let's launch the YouTube app. Then you want to head to the lower right corner where you see your profile picture. You want to click on it. Then you want to head to the top right corner and you want to click on the gear icon. Okay. When you're at the gear icon, you have the option to select General. When you're at the General, you gotta go and click on App Language, this option over here. When you click on App Language, you will have the option to change the language, which is as a preferred language on your device. In my case, this is an iPhone default English language. So this is how you can go about it. You can simply click on preferred language, you can click on the language, and after you change the language on the phone default language, this will change the language on YouTube. This will change the language on the comments. This will change the whole experiences on the people who are coming and following and watching your content. And this is how you change the language on YouTube. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.